Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be drawing some realistic lips. So pucker up and this is what we're going to be drawing. So you'll need a pencil. I'm actually using a 3B pencil, but it doesn't matter, it can be a normal HB. And you'll need something to kind of blend. So I've been using a stump, which you can buy from local craft stores. It's basically just lots of compressed paper rolled up, and then it's got two pointy ends. You don't need one of those. You can use a cotton wool bud or a cotton wool pad, as I've got here. You can see it's a little bit dirty. I've been using it a lot. And an eraser. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with a line across the centre of your page. Just draw it very faintly. This is just going to be a guideline. Okay, from the guideline we're going to draw the underside of the top lip. Now that just comes up very slightly and comes down and slightly up towards the edges. So there we go. Then comes up towards the edges. Just a curvy line. And then for the lower lip, we're going to do a similar thing, but it comes below the line and then comes up again and joins up with this top line. Next, we're going to do some more guidelines. So to make plump bottom lips, I'm just going to pencil in just some oval shapes for the bottom. Now we're going to rub these out, so don't draw too hard. Same on this side as well. We're now going to do the same for the top lip, but slightly smaller than these ovals for the bottom lip. So another one here. These oval shapes don't have to be perfect. So just a shape like this. There we go. And now to produce the shape of the lips, we're just going to go round them. So, just starting in the corner, just come up and round. And don't forget the dip in the middle. And then up and round. Now everybody has different shaped lips, so the key thing is observation. So just look really, really hard at how somebody's lips are formed. Some people have much thinner top lips than bottom lips and vice versa. So we're going all the way down the bottom here. Follow it round. Just like that. Then we're going to add in, you can just barely see the teeth, but I'm just going to put them in. So just the top teeth. So there's the parting in between the top teeth. Now just very, very faintly, just put in where the top teeth are going to be. And the same with the bottom teeth. Very, very faintly. Just like that. Now we're going to use the eraser and just get rid of some of these guidelines. Just going to correct this bottom lip. There we go. So from here we can start shading. So I usually like using an overhand grip for shading, and I'm just going to use the pencil quite flat against the paper and just shade in the different tones. And here it's very, very dark underneath the lip. So again, just shading in all the tones. Now the place where it's very, very dark is in between the teeth. So I'll make this much darker. Try not to go too dark just yet, but gradually build it up. So we're just going to blend this a little bit now. You can either use a blending stump or you can use a cotton pad. So whichever one you have to hand, I'll just use a cotton pad for the time being. Just use this just to blend the pencil together. Don't use your finger because your finger contains grease and oils on it, which will mean that your paper won't last for very long, and also it will interfere with your drawing. So now I'm just going to carry on just shading and blending. So I'm adding detail to the lips, drawing the lip creases by using curved lines, and then I'm darkening the inside of the mouth and the darker tones and curved strokes to make the lips look fuller. Also adding some shading above and below the lips, and then I'm blending this using a stump, and then I'm going to add the even darker tones in between the lips and the teeth, and then I'll accentuate the creases even further, erasing using the eraser, and then adding some more pencil, and keep on doing this, repeating it and then blending and then erasing to pick out all the highlighted areas and then all the darker tones until you've got the desired effect. So there's the finished drawing. If you've enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like, and don't forget to put a comment in the comment section below or any suggestions that you might have. Hope you've enjoyed it and hope to see you on the next one. Thank you, bye bye.